If you're still using AI the same way you did last year, you are missing out something big. AI has moved way beyond just answering questions, and honestly, that's where Genspark caught our attention. Instead of giving you one chatbot, it brings together your emails, notes, designs, presentations, and a bunch of AI agents into one workspace. The whole idea is to spend less time jumping between apps and more time actually getting things done. So today, let's see what Genspark is all about and whether it really deserves the hype it's getting in 2026. Let's start with one of Genspark's most useful features, Second Brain. From what we've seen in a meeting, it listens to conversations, transcribes them in real time, and automatically generates a clean, shareable meeting summary, so there's no need to take notes yourself. But that's actually just the beginning. You can connect it with tools like Slack, email, calendar, Notion, and even your CRM, allowing Genspark to understand the full context of your work. Because of that, instead of searching through dozens of apps, you can simply ask for what you need, whether it's an account's order history, revenue outlook, previous proposals, or meeting discussions. It pulls information from multiple sources and organizes everything into an easy-to-understand format, even with charts when needed. Basically, the more context you give it, the smarter it becomes, turning Genspark into a true working memory system that helps you find information faster and stay focused. Now let's move on to GenMail, which is Genspark's AI-powered email assistant. GenMail isn't just another email client. It combines your Gmail and Outlook accounts into one workspace and lets AI handle the busy work. The first thing it does is organize your inbox by priority. So instead of scrolling through dozens of messages, it highlights the emails that actually need your attention. It can also generate concise summaries, extract action items, and even prepare a quick morning briefing, giving you a snapshot of everything important before you start your day. What's even more impressive is the email brain. It gradually learns your writing style, communication habits, frequent contacts, and ongoing projects. So when it drafts a reply, it sounds surprisingly close to how you'd write it yourself. And because your calendar is built right into the same workspace, you can schedule meetings, check availability, and manage invitations without jumping between different apps. So instead of spending hours managing emails, GenMail helps you review, reply, and move on in just a fraction of the time. Once your personal workflow is sorted, the next step is collaborating with your whole team through GenTeam. Instead of everyone using separate AI assistants and sharing results manually, GenTeam lets people and AI agents work together in the same conversation. Think of it as adding AI teammates to your project. You can assign a task, bring multiple people into the discussion, and let different AI agents handle research, writing, planning, or analysis while everyone stays on the same page. From what we've seen, you can even deploy specialized agents with a single click, or build your own for specific workflows, making the platform flexible enough for different teams and industries. That's actually a pretty big advantage, as every project usually involves repetitive tasks that slow people down. Rather than asking one chatbot after another, GenTeam allows the AI to work alongside your actual team members, keeping context shared across the project. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, preparing reports, managing client work, or coordinating a product launch, everyone, including the AI, works in one collaborative space. Now that the team can work together, let's see how Genspark helps bring ideas to life with design. This design feature lets you generate and edit professional-looking graphics simply by describing what you want in plain language. Instead of jumping between multiple design apps or spending hours adjusting every little detail, you can ask the AI to create social media posts, marketing banners, product mock-ups, thumbnails, posters, and other visual assets in just a few moments. What we also like is that you're not locked into the first result. You can keep refining the design through conversation by changing colors, layouts, text, or overall style without starting over. That makes the whole process feel much more natural, especially if you're not an experienced designer. Basically, whether you're a content creator, marketer, business owner, or just someone who needs high-quality visuals quickly, Genspark Design helps turn rough ideas into polished graphics. So, Agentbase basically gives you access to a growing collection of specialized AI agents, each built for a particular job. From what we've seen, you can browse different agents based on what you're trying to accomplish, whether that's researching a topic, writing content, analyzing data, planning projects, or solving more technical tasks. Rather than starting from scratch every time, you simply choose the agent that's already optimized for your workflow. That's actually a pretty smart approach, because different tasks usually need different expertise. And if you have a workflow that's unique to your job, Genspark also lets you create and customize your own agents, so they can follow your preferred process and instructions. Basically, Agentbase becomes a central hub where you can discover, organize, and reuse AI agents instead of constantly rewriting prompts. Now, if those agents need extra abilities, that's exactly what Genspark Skills are for. So, skills are essentially reusable capabilities that enable AI agents to perform specific actions rather than just generate text. From what we've seen, a skill can be designed to follow a structured workflow, automate repetitive processes, retrieve information, or complete multi-step tasks with very little manual input. The nice part is that these skills can be combined with different agents, meaning you're not rebuilding the same workflow over and over again. Once a skill is available, multiple agents can use it whenever it's needed. That's especially useful for businesses and power users who perform similar tasks every day. Whether it's generating reports, organizing information, processing requests, or automating routine operations, skills help make the AI more reliable and consistent. Creating a presentation is usually the part that takes the longest, but Genspark tries to simplify the entire process. You can simply describe your topic or upload your existing content, and the AI automatically generates a complete presentation with a logical structure, polished layouts, visuals, and speaker-friendly content. Instead of manually building every slide, it organizes the information into clear sections and even adjusts the design to make everything look professional. What we also like is that you're not stuck with a static presentation. You can ask the AI to rewrite sections, add new slides, change the layout, or refine the visuals through simple prompts. Basically, whether you're preparing a business pitch, a project report, or an educational presentation, Genspark Slides helps you go from an idea to a presentation much faster, while still giving you the flexibility to make final adjustments before presenting. So, is it the best AI agent in 2026? Well, we think it's definitely one of the strongest contenders right now. What really stands out isn't just a single feature, it's how everything works together. Instead of using separate tools for emails, notes, presentations, design, and AI assistance, Genspark brings them into one place. So if you're looking for an all-in-one experience, it's definitely worth trying. Alright, that's it for today. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.